Today was a bit of change of scenery for myself. I actually went out of the office and went to a client's premises, like real life meeting, probably one of the first times since March 2020. I think there's been one or two other clients I've sort of seen during sort of intermittent periods in terms of lockdowns, but today was the first time I conscientiously decided I am going out. I'm going to visit a client at their actual premises today, so it was good to do that. This was a client we took on just under a year ago with a view to moving them from Sage to Zero because they wanted real-time data and up-to-date reports. And it was brilliant today to actually interact with the guy in the office who looks after all of the sort of processing and admin, finance type of stuff in-house. And they have that interaction with us in terms of what we need and the processes and the checklists and the process map. So we went through all of those types of things today, and doing it in person makes a real difference. Meeting the two directors of the business in person, having a short meeting in an office within their business unit. Zoom's great, and Zoom has been very useful over the course of the last while, but to me Zoom will only take you so far. It's more of a convenience tool than anything else, and they sort of get stuff really done, and they actually build good relationships and have proper conversations with clients. I think the one-to-one human interaction, there's no real substitute for that at all. So found that useful today. Hopefully the clients will say the same. We've come up with some new strategies and so on that we can implement to get the data flowing a lot better within their accounting system. So we're looking at invoice fetch with index prepare. We're looking at we're creating a bespoke process map for their current processes, because they're going to be in a situation, this client, where they're going to scale up, and now's the time to have all these types of processes mapped out properly. So that'll be useful for them as well. One other thing to update everyone on who is watching this video is our next webinar is happening this Monday, the 23rd of August at 12 noon. It'll last 60 minutes, and the topic is 7 ways to grow your business. So I will be hosting the webinar, and I'll be talking people who are attending through 7 different strategies you can implement in your business in order to help it grow. And even if you're not thinking about sort of growing or scaling up your business, if that's something that you find quite daunting, or it's not even on your radar because you're kind of happy with the size of business you have, there's probably going to be still some useful tips and ideas around improving your current business using these strategies. So even if it's not a matter of you want more customers, you want more turnover, you want more profit, if you're happy kind of with the levels you're at, but maybe want to tweak a few things, there's bound to be some ideas you'll get out of the 7 ways that I'm going to share with everyone on Monday. So the link to join is going to be below the video here as well. Feel free to click and book your space. And if you're joining, I will see you on Monday. For now, it's on to the weekend. Few things planned probably for the kids, as always. And I think from next week on, I'm going to try and pinpoint some clients that I'm just going to get in the car and go and see, and start building deeper relationships than what we have had for the last 15 to 18 months. Especially new clients that we've onboarded as well. I think it's time for me to go and see them and see their offices, meet their team, meet them in person, and build from there. So that's it for now. On to the weekend, and if you're joining the webinar, I'll see you on Monday.